Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BV6600E, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, you need to access settings and choose security right away. Now tap on face unlock over here and enter your current login method. Then read the description, choose agree at the bottom right corner and tap on start at the bottom right corner as well. After that, remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can select done at the bottom right corner as well and click home button. After that, when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!